Right, here we go. First ever go, but hey what. This is my working toolbox. Everything in here is used, nothing's polished really. So, panel key, carry around with me everywhere. Everything you need, day to day really. Been known as the Death Star. Then homemade pressure tester. One-way valve. Plug it into an air. See if we've got leaks on tanks that's been re-welded. There's a non-return valve. We've got some magnetic trays, some trim terminal tools, torches, lock-offs, a little spanner, rulers, electrician's knife, scotch pad, cleans anything, first tray, hammers, brushes, tape measure, pen, odds and sods, painkillers, magnets. We've got a mirror in the back. Then we got circlip pliers, punches, nylon, drifts, picks, aluminium bar, and anything giving it a good whack. Right, pliers. So we've got bolt croppers, grips, shears, cable strippers, pipe cutter, some more pliers, flush cuts, then we got square, taps, countersinks, just real drills and drifts and punches in this one, cleaning tools, drills, homemade puller, some dies. Oh, and this is a pipe center tool. Find your center line on your round cylinders. We've got some hole saws, disc cutters, some ratchets, quarter, 3/8. We've got welding gloves, some more sockets, polishing wheel, some hex keys, spanners, all different sizes, all on metric really. Some minis, and these really good for glands. Screwdrivers, as you can see, it's not really in any order, but it's lived in and used. So we've got some nut runners that are insulated for motor terminals. World's smallest puller, but still has a good punch. Some T-bars. Wago terminal screwdrivers. Imperial Allen keys. Wagos, because who doesn't love a Wago? This is a paper drawer, my FGAF gas reg book, guide book. Live out of it, really. This is tape drawer and some sanding wheels. Another tape and manual drawer. Are these Irwin rounded bolt tools? I can get the thing open. Got me out of a sticky situation once or twice. Now there's the meter drawer. The clamp meter. 376 can do AC and DC current readings. And this is my Fluke multimeter cum insulation resistance tester. Love this. Then we've got all my crimping tools, mainly CK. Never gone wrong. And all my ferrules. Some heat shrink crimps. Few fuses and heat shrink. A little lead bag. All my test leads in there. Few sensor test leads cut down, but in this test block lights up with your PNP and MPN. Homemade clamp. Checking the old currents. Then the big boy drawer with the sledgehammers and the files and big Stilsons. What you can't open with this drawer, just leave it alone. Wow, that's it.